Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a lovely day. So this is a short video on how to blend together your extension braiding hair. I'm going to use this lush hair extension. I'll be mixing this color with the color 144. These colors are super beautiful, guys. I'm not even joking. You can see for yourselves. And it's what I'm wearing at the moment. Actually, you can go to my Instagram to see the full pictures or whatever. Like, I've been getting a lot of compliments. I really love these colors. Actually, you can try it out if you want to, or you can use any other colors that you love. The main reason for this video is just to show you how to mix the extensions together. All right. This is how it came out after mixing it. It's really beautiful. I love it. You can try it, and if you're new here, you can check out my channel for more interesting videos. And if you find this video helpful, please share it and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.